Guys, there's been a lot of talk about Umidigi, specifically the Umidigi G9 5G. A quick side note, guys, we have actually used it as a test use, but this is kind of our experience. So we open it up, and first of all, in the box, you just see this phone comes with a case installed on it, which you don't see. Yeah, protective glass, we'll get to that in a minute. Nowadays, you barely even get a charger in your phone packages, and Umidigi are coming out here with the case, obviously the phone, a screen protector, so they're doing quite a bit, aren't they? It's got the dust absorber, and we've lost them since we got the phone, but we had a charger, a SIM ejector, and what I presume some headphones.
That's right.
Which actually, one of the upsides is most modern phones.
Right, looking into the specification of the phone, you can see that it's on Android version 14. It's got an Unisoc T765 processor, 6 gig of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage.
That's quite a bit, isn't it?
Yeah, and it runs really well at that specification. You can also use some virtual memory.
6 gigabytes running, 6 gigabytes virtual.
If you want to boost it up some more. But I think it runs perfectly fine as it.
So guys, we picked up this phone for £59.99, and just scrolling through a YouTube channel, it's like scrolling about, it's pretty responsive. Let's go on to shorts. So I think it's pretty responsive.
Sweet.
So unlike the Xiaomi Poco C85 over here, this Umidigi came pre-installed with no rubbish. It was just straight to the point phone, and that's what a budget user would be looking for, getting these cheap phones, isn't it, Grandad?
Yeah, and we used it a bit for filming, and the camera's really good.
So let's go into a camera test. Guys, this is the Umidigi camera on 720. So it records in 720p. So we've also got a 4K option, which we're going to go into a minute ago. But this is the microphone. It seems to be 4K, guys. I don't know if it actually is. Grandad or me, if you're editing this, put them two side by side. That's 720. That's HD. Yeah, I don't see a difference. So yeah, let's get back into the main. So guys, on the back of this phone, we've actually got a a trio of cameras, and we've got the 4K camera, the 50 megapixel camera, and then the 720p camera. So there's a array of cameras on this phone and a flashlight. Grandad, when we actually made a video with this phone for gardening short back in a while ago, and it wasn't very good quality, was it?
No, but that was probably down to
our settings that we had it on rather than.
So guys, basically I'm cutting the grass. Sorry for being so shaky. It was my granddad who recorded this. So
guys,
yeah,
it's not very
but
good.
Look at this at the end. It is so beautiful, guys. And I'm sorry this video is not very good. It's on my granddad's phone, and his camera isn't that good as mine, and the microphone. But still, look at that. It's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm also going to show you a before and after of the other part. So guys, that is before we cut this bit, and that is after. It looks a bit dead, but it also looks better. Thanks for watching, like and follow, bye bye.
The week that I've used this phone, I find it equal, and in some ways better, but some ways worse, to my Samsung A16 Daily Driver. I personally, from my experience, I've used this phone, and I think it's a cracking phone. It's brilliant. Umidigi, well done, well done. This brand, it's Chinese brand. It's cheap phones, but it's not a scam. They don't put bloatware on the devices. They give you what the customers want. So I'm on day one of using the Umidigi G9 5G. It's a pretty good phone. it's actually, I shouldn't just say that, it's pretty quick. I quite actually like it. I would use it as my main phone if this is the only thing I had. Well, not the only thing. I would use it if I didn't get a new phone recently. But basically, the problem is, I was on WhatsApp and we were having really bad technical difficulties calling on a phone. There was technical difficulties calling, but that might be on WhatsApp's end and my SIM card's end. So yeah, first day looking good. Everything works. It's genuinely pretty quick. Like it's pretty actual quick. So yeah. So guys, it's my last day of using the Umidigi. I might have fell in love with it, guys. It's just such a good phone. The only problem I had was mobile data, but I had to just reset my mobile services and then I was okay. Let's get back to the video. First of all, we're loading up Block Blast. It's not very good. No. It's not a very hardware intensive game. Obviously, it's going to work. Plus, let's just talk about something. The battery on this thing, Grandad. How did you find it when you used it? Because Grandad was on an extensive use of this phone back in the day. Grandad, how did you find the battery?
Yeah, it was okay. I only had to charge it every other day.
One more time. Look at that cracking piece of gear.
On a decent cheap phone.
It's perfect.
Umidigi G9 5G.
So yeah, we've got an Umidigi tablet coming. All I'm gonna say is, let's hope it's better than this thing what we reviewed. And with that, on that note, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You just please hit the subscribe button. We need more subscribers. Bye bye.
Claude, I'm going to ask you the same question that I asked.
It's time to go!
That's the